MashaAllah. Please.
Hazur, yesterday we started a discussion about Hazur's tour in Germany. Has Hazur got some more things to add?
For instance?
About the Kurds from different...
I in fact explained everything and kept the ball rolling to the court of the Muslim states who command the Kurds. They should examine their own criticism of the West, how they colonize and how they dominate other territories and how they treat them. Then in the same reflective mirror, they should see their own faces. What they have done to a Muslim state who has done so much for the Arab cause. It's just a plea, a pathetic plea. Otherwise we have no control. This is an advice, and very strong advice, to the Muslim Ummah to get together and create a new state among their own, a new Muslim state which has a brilliant past, and we hope will have a brilliant future, inshallah.